Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Respected Chief Justice, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and Management of Supreme Court, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected Chief Justice, before my everybody speech, I am enforced to say thanks to Management of Supreme Court who are working on my more than 30,110 cases free of cost in Supreme Court decision I am receiving in 20 days. It shows that in Pakistan, Insaf is free and 20 days. So, respected Chief Justice, I'm really thankful to your cooperation on my 30,110 cases in Supreme Court for Ismail of Pakistan. Reward you will see on day of Qiyamah. Respected Chief Justice, for example, I'm highlighting some points I present in front of you. Like I request from you that to close the Hira Mandi, you have closed the Hira Mandi. Reward you will see on day of Qiyamah. I request from you that sell and purchase of kidnappers continue in Hira Mandi. Then Janab al-Jabba, so help these girls. Sir, FIA went and they found 300 kidnapped girls, and now those girls are in home with respect, sir. So reward you will see, reward you will see on day of Qiyamah of your this action. So just like 30,110 cases you are working, you will see reward on day of Qiyamah. Respected Chief Justice, the video, the copy of this video speech I am sending to Imran Khan and President of Pakistan. Respected Chief Justice, you will agree with me. This video speech is connected like religious points. So, respected Chief Justice, I have several times presented in front of President of Pakistan and Prime Minister and Chief Justice. Today I am presenting in front of you. All of you know about the Ghazwa Hind. Ghazwa Hind is Sunan Nisai Islamic book, Hadith Sharif number 3173-74-75. These three Hadith Sharif clearly indicate that those Muslims who participate in Ghazwa Hind, those hellfire will never touch those Muslims. So, respected Chief Justice, when this attack will happen on Pakistan about the Ghazwa Hind, all are mentioned in Alamat-e-Saha Islamic book. Respected Chief Justice, in Alamat-e-Saha Islamic book, it's clearly the patient Gui of Muhammad, peace be upon him, that Mushrikeen in India will attack on Pakistan and they will reach up to Atak. After that, Muslim will find the victory and the flag of Pakistan will be on Delhi. Then Muslim will rule all over the world 40 years. So, respected Chief Justice, this patient Gui I have presented from Alamat-e-Saha Islamic book, and the three Hadith Sharif clearly indicate that Ghazwa Hind will happen between Pakistan and India. So, respected Chief Justice and President Imran Khan and President of Pakistan, I am working on to close the religious war between the Muslim and non-Muslim. Respected Imran Khan, you will agree with me that when Muhammad, peace be upon him, stayed in Makkah 40 years, then all non-Muslims said that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is Sadiq and Ameen. But when after 40 years, Muhammad, peace be upon him, present Islam to non-Muslims to accept Islam, then Ghazwa Badr, Ghazwa Uhud, Ghazwa Khandaq, and still the religious wars continue between the Muslim and non-Muslim. Respected Imran Khan, the reason of this religious war is that when a Muslim invite non-Muslim to accept Islam, in this situation war begins to start. So Imran Khan, this war have been started from Ghazwa Badr, Ghazwa Uhud, Ghazwa Khandaq, and still the series of religious war continue up to now. And Ghazwa Hind is there, so I am working on Ghazwa Hind to protect Pakistan from Indian attack. For this purpose, I call Indian President management and provide the detail of Ghazwa Hind. As I presented some good news in front of Indian President, the management said that if it's true, then it's looking possible to make a friendship between the Muslim and non-Muslim, and religious war will be closed. Respected Imran Khan, you will agree with me that Muhammad, peace be upon him, said in Hadith Sharif that when I meet you in Khab, it's indicate that I meet you because Shaitan can't come in my Shakal Mubarak. Respected Imran Khan, it's clearly indicated that if a person meet in Khab with Muhammad, peace be upon him, then it's indicate that that person have meet the Muhammad, peace be upon him. It's a clearly Hadith Sharif. So Imran Khan, about some religious good news I received from Muhammad, peace be upon him, in Khab from 1998 to still I am meeting in Khab with Muhammad, peace be upon him. In this meeting, I have received some good news. Those good news will close the religious war between the Muslim and non-Muslim, and world will come into peace. Imran Khan, the good news is this, that Hazrat Umar Farooq forwarded me in front of Muhammad peace be upon him to me in Khab that all non-Muslims on the earth will live a life before that with Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Then Hazrat Isa alayhi salam will show the way to heaven to these non-Muslims. Then these non-Muslims will accept Islam, and then these non-Muslims will reach to heaven. So, respected Imran Khan, this good news I received from Hazrat Umar Farooq in front of Muhammad peace be upon him. As I forward this good news to India that all of you are going to heaven, so in this situation, let's suppose the religious war and begin the friendship. They agreed. They said that if you are not inviting us to accept Islam, then war will have been automatically closed. Imran Khan, in the presence of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, we should not present the Islam in front of non-Muslims, because these non-Muslims are living a life before death with Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Then Hazrat Isa alayhi salam is presenting Islam in front of these non-Muslims. They are accepted and going to heaven. Respected Imran Khan, the good news which I forward in front of you, that I am meeting you in Khab with Muhammad peace be upon him, and some good news I present in front of you. If you don't believe this good news, then the proof of this good news I am forwarding that if you blast bomb on my body, I will alive. When you cut my head, I will alive. When you shoot bullets on my head, I will alive. When you see me alive after shooting bullets on my head, then believe that whatever I have said to you is true. So Imran Khan, Ghazwa Hind is very near. I want to protect Pakistan from non-Muslim. I warned Narendra Modi and President of India that if you think, if you are continuing the thinking against a Pakistan attack, then I will cross the border of India and will cut the head of all Indian along. Because when the Indian army see me alive after bullets and bombs, then they will run away from me to Bengal and Nepal. Imran Khan, don't worry, I am Pakistani Superman, and it's very easy for me to defeat India alone. Already they have accepted, they are ashamed and saying that we are ready for the friendship, it's the religious war, and have been closed because you are saying that we are in heaven. So in this situation, the war can be closed. So Imran Khan, I have convinced the President of India, and now it's the time comes to move to India to close this religious war between the Muslim and non-Muslim, which has started from Ghazwa Badr to up to now. So Imran Khan, for this purpose, I need the permission to India because Ghazwa Hind is near. After attack, many more lives may be shaheed in this war. So before war, send me please, Mr. Imran Khan. After war, what we can do, we will be in that position to cut the head of all India alone. In this situation, if I went to India, maybe they refuse to attack on Pakistan. But if you delay my visit to India, then maybe they attack on the fixed time which I have written in Alamat Sahih Islamic book. So Imran Khan, to close the religious war between the Muslim and non-Muslim, I have already convinced the Indian government to kindly left me India to close this religious war between the Muslim and non-Muslim. Peace will come automatically. Muslim will love non-Muslim because when Muslim believe that these non-Muslim are going to heaven, and other side non-Muslim will start love with the Muslim by the reason of Muslim love. So Imran Khan, I will be very thankful to you if you allow me visit of India. This war will be closed. Respected Imran Khan, I am a Pakistani Superman. I have met 20 years with Muhammad peace be upon him in Khab. In this, a gift I have received from Muhammad peace be upon him that nobody can kill me on the earth. If you, Narendra Modi, if Imran Khan, if you cut my head, I will alive. If you blast a bomb on my body, I will alive. When you shoot bullets on my head, I will alive. In this situation, if I cross the border of India for protection of Pakistan, then the Indian army will shoot me bullets many more on my head. But when Indian army see me alive after shooting bullets, then they will run away to Bengal and Nepal. So Imran Khan, the purpose of this video that to announce the good news that these non-Muslims will live a life before death with Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, and then Hazrat Isa alayhi salam will show the way to these non-Muslims to enter in heaven. So these news can close the religious war between the Muslim and non-Muslim. Respected Imran Khan, I will be very thankful to you if you allow me the visit of India to close this religious war between the Muslim and non-Muslim. Time of Ghazwa Hind is already written in Passion Gui of Muhammad peace be upon him, Mr. Imran Khan. So what you are waiting for? The too much millions Muslims will shaheed in this war in Ghazwa Hind. So Don't wait, Mr. Imran Khan, just send me alone, I will solve this problem. And President of Pakistan, Imran Khan, I have forwarded this topic to President of Pakistan. They have rejected this idea. But it's a reality, Imran Khan. Kindly invite me to your office to move India to close this religious war between the Muslim and non-Muslim. I already declared to Indian President management that this war is continued from Ghazwa Badr. Pakistan became in 47. Then why you are fighting with Pakistan? Why you are not fighting to all Muslim in the world? Because it's the religious war started from Ghazwa Badr, and Pakistan have become in 47. So it's a religious war. I convinced the Indian government. So respected Imran Khan, I will be very thankful to you if you allow me the visit of India to close this religious war between the Muslim and non-Muslim. I am alone enough for all these Indians. As I cross the Wagah border and the Indian army shoot me bullets, then they will see me alive after shooting the bullets. In this situation, they will run away to Bengal and Nepal. So respected Imran Khan, for protection of Pakistan and to close the chapter of religious war between the Muslim and non-Muslim, let me go to India. Thank you very much, Imran Khan sir.